Hey everyone, how are y'all? My name is Swandana and I'm a UX designer. In this video, I'm going to show you my percentage progress data visualization, which I'm currently working on, and it is going to soon live on my Figma community page with a couple of other files. So this is my Figma community page and it has the stuff like related to the design system, and it has some data visualization element, the radar and the fluid percentage chart. And the next one would be the percentage progress, percentage loader progress, loader percentage, whatever you wanted to call it. So what it is, a simple progress bar kind of stuff, having a multiple component sets, which is starting from 5% to the 100%. And there is a label in it. I'm going to show you the in a while the properties it's hold, but the major thing that I'm going to create a video on is assigning the color modes to it, like having the proper brand colors. When you use it, it is going to have the random colors, right? But once you duplicate the file, you needed to use it according in your own project or according to your organization project, so it requires their color. So how you can change the color and fixate it to the in your brands. So for that, what I have done is this would be the final output, and for that I have created the couple of elements like this. Progress, percentage progress is having the outer layer, outer ring, and the percentage ring and the label color. And it is, of course, it's a component, so it is going to lie on some surface, which could be the card section or whatever you wanted to use it. So I have assigned color to it. Okay, how I have taken the color is I have taken it from my own design system, which I'm currently building, and it is halfway. So I have decided the elevation color for it. I have just defined the couple of colors from there. So in here I have defined the proper semantics and the tokens, but I'm not going to use that in here because I don't want it to add another library here. So the file would be cluttered. I just wanted to keep it simple. You guys can simply duplicate or copy this particular to your particular project file. In a way, you will not see much stuff in the asset section, and you can simply search for the progress and the stuff. You can find it here, or directly you have this file, so you can just copy it from here, or take it from here. It will be same. So let's talk about the property it holds. Once you copy the component, you have the ability to change the percentage, and according to the percentage, the label and the progress will be changed. And as a user, you have you can control the label. Suppose you wanted to see the label or not, and even you wanted to see, you can change the label text. Doesn't necessarily you just can see this percentage only. Okay, so this kind of stuff you can control in this progress percentage progress. Let's talk about little bit on the colors that I have assigned. For that, I'm going to use the local variables. You can do it also, but if not, you just create the variant of it, and one set you can name the light mode, and another could be dark mode. Currently I will be using the local variables. So going to the local variables, I am just the collection is already made, so I'm going to create the variable color. Before that, I'm going to rename this to, suppose, color mode. And we have the 4 elements and we have the 2 modes. So let me just create one more mode, and I am calling it a light. And the dark mode. And we are going to have 4 colors, so 4 elements. So let's say card, and duplicate. The next would be outer ring. And the next would be the ring percentage, or the percentage ring. So if you have observed that my ring percentage ring and the label dark mode light mode color is the same, this is because I have designed my design system in a way that the primary color works so fluently on the dark mode and the light mode. I have seen that of course the dark mode is currently on the trend, so whenever we use our primary color, we needed to shift the primary color in the dark mode little bit, okay, make it brighter or adjust it little bit, but I don't want it to do that, adding multiple tints and shades of my primary color. So I have just come up with a color that works both in the light and the dark mode super well. So here is the color system. You can also see that in my community, Figma community page. It is live with a perfectly same color and with the whole documentation again. So I am using ring percentage and the label color of my brand color. It's basically not a perfect brand color, it's a shade of it, but it's also going very much well. Same color going very much well on all the four things. So now I'm going to change. Once we have assigned, the labels, the percentage ring, the outer ring, the card thing, we know what to assign where. Because I have created the nested component, so I'm going to the each file and assigning the colors. Now I have assigned the outer ring, the percentage ring, and the label. Now the card is left, so just let me take one frame. Let's take it 300 by 300, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it the light mode, and let call this one dark mode, and let's assign the color to it. So I'm calling it card, and I'm calling this card also. Let's assign the semantics to it. We needed to go to the variable, go to the color mode, and I'm assigning its light. So default it takes the light, okay, so whatever it's first here, it takes it such a default, but I'm going to define it light mode, and in here I'm going to define it a dark mode, okay. So this comes up with the parent children property. Suppose this represents as the parent, as it's a background, and its nature is light and its nature is dark, so doesn't matter whatever I'm going to put in here, it automatically adapts the property of their parent. So suppose it's a light mode, and if I shift it here, it is automatically going to take the property. So this was the properties of whole percentage progress data visualization. It holds we can say the 4 property in total: the percentage, control the label text, and the mode. So yeah, that's it for this video, and if you like it, do let me know what other topics you wanted to see. You can connect me over the LinkedIn or the Topmate if you require any design or the UX related help or the advice. I am open for that. Yeah, so keep posted with these kind of videos. Thank you everyone for watching it.